Welcome back to the Daily Wisdom Practice. We have officially reached the halfway point of our 30-day journey. Today marks day 14. Hit the like button to celebrate how far you've come. Today we are moving beyond just fixing problems. We are opening the door to the very reason you are actually here on this earth. Subscribe to solidify your path and let's get started. Are you tired of constantly trying to figure out your life purpose? We read books, take tests, and stress ourselves out, trying to find that one perfect career or calling. But what if your purpose isn't something you have to find? What if it's something that is already inside you, just buried under mountains of mental noise? In Ho'oponopono, we learn that when we clean the past, our true path reveals itself naturally. We often operate from two states: memory or inspiration. Memory is just repeating of the past. It means doing what you feel you should do based on old fear. And the inspiration is the voice of the divine. You don't need to chase after a purpose. Your only job is to clean the data that blocks your view. Think of yourself as a window. You don't have to create the sunlight. You simply need to wipe away the dust so the light can shine through. When you reach zero, the divine pours inspiration directly into your soul, and your purpose finds you effortlessly. Close your eyes. Let go of the need to have your life figured out right now. Embrace this space of emptiness. I release the need to force my future. I am sorry for allowing my fears to dominate my path. Please forgive me for forgetting that I am divinely guided. Thank you for this new beginning. I love you, my soul. I am open to inspiration. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When you stop chasing after things, the universe is finally able to guide you. Your challenge for today: the next time you feel anxious about your future, stop overthinking and simply say thank you to clear the path. Comment "I am aligned" below to activate your divine plan. Share this video with someone who might be feeling lost right now. I will see you on day 15. I love you. I thank you. And I will see you tomorrow.